Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe, yada yada yada. You know what I do. I go find drinks, I bring them, I give them to you. Today, we are at the $17.99 bar here at the Harpeth Hotel in historic Franklin, Tennessee. And my man Tony here is going to teach us how to make one of the classics. It's called a Negroni. Are you ready, Tony?
I am ready.
Tony is ready, so I think we're going to go. Fire away, my friend.
Sounds good. So, Negroni is a little classic. We're going to use a Campari. 3/4 here at $17.99. It's our recipe. So 3/4 of Campari.
Yum.
Kochi sweet vermouth, ounce of that.
Very
And then Nyamsa gin, ounce and a half of that.
Well, when I already see the big block of ice, that looks wonderful.
So while we stir this drink, here at $17.99, we stamp our own. We have a big cube ice. Let it stamp. So that should be ready while we stir this delicious Negroni.
And why are you stirring it so much, Tony?
I'm sorry?
Why are you stirring it so much?
About 15 seconds
15 seconds?
Yeah, to dilute everything, mix all the,
Mix
pull
all
that
the
out.
flavors.
Look at that. I like this side just so we can keep the peeled orange. Voila. Cheers. Enjoy.
Thank you, Tony.
You're welcome.
A classic Negroni right here at the Harpeth Hotel, the $17.99 bar. Let's check it out. Oh, that is good. You're going to have to check that out when you come here. To get the recipe, go to PourManMike.com. And if you push this button right here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gives you a head-of-the-line speed pass with each and every new PourMan episode as they come out, plus some other cool stuff as we head on down the road. So, till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. See you around.